Hello guys, and today I've got a review for you for my JBL flip-free portable speaker. So I hope you enjoy. Taking a first look at the speaker, as you can see, it's quite small. Here's a average sized fake plant for comparison. It's very lightweight. I think the blue personally looks brilliant. We've got two passive radiators on the side, and we've got two drivers, small speaker drivers in here, which I believe are rated for 7.5 watts each. On the back here we've got the button for the pair feature, which is JBL Connect, so you can connect multiple Bluetooth speakers at a time. Here we have the power button. Here we have our battery status indicator. Here under these flaps we have the aux and charging USB, and here we have the volume controls, followed by the play, pause and telephone button, and not forgetting the Bluetooth pair button. Round the front we simply have the logo, and that is it. So when holding the speaker, it feels quite premium. I enjoy the nice cool effect of the passive radiators on either side. I like this fabricy material here. I think it's very nice, better than the usual plastic or metal grille. The logo I believe is metal as well, and it seems like if you've done a drop test on it, it would be completely fine. All the buttons are nice and clicky, the on button, etc. all feels really good. From my experience, I feel that the battery lasts around 4 to 5 hours at maximum volume, which is absolutely fantastic. However, if you are using it at a lower volume, it will last a lot longer, which is great for a speaker this size. As you turn on the speaker, you are greeted with a little noise. This just shows that it's now turned on. This can be slightly annoying for some people, and if it's already connected to a Bluetooth device, you'll hear that sound there. Here we have the battery indicator. As you can see, it's on full, and I'm just going to, if I can, I'll just show you the flap here. You see you've got your micro USB for charging, and you've got your aux, which both work very well. And the reason why this flap is here is because the speaker is splash proof. Don't submerge it in water, however you can, splash proof, so if a few splashes of water get on it, you could use it in a shower. It shouldn't be a problem, and it should hold up absolutely fine. So now I'm going to be doing a quick sound test for you guys. Just before I begin the sound test, I'm just going to tell you how to connect to a Bluetooth device. So first of all, you need to tap the Bluetooth button here, and it will make this pairing sound. And now simply go to the settings on your device. Here I have smashed up iPad, and just tap it. I've renamed mine to Flip 9, but it should be Flip 3. Okay, it doesn't seem to be connecting. This is a bug with an Apple devices. You have to turn your Bluetooth off and on again, and not only that, but you also sometimes have to go here and forget this device. Then you have to repair it in order for it to work. This is not a problem with the speaker, this is simply a problem with some Apple devices which I've experienced. Okay, so now it's connected, we can get on with the sound test. Okay, so I'm now going to do the sound test. I hope you enjoy. I do apologise for the music choice, as I am stuck by using non-copyright sounds. This is the song I'm going to be playing, and I'm going to be starting at a lower volume, and I'm going to be gradually turning it up. as you can probably hear, it sounds very good. We have a decent low end for the size of the speaker. We've got good mid-range and good treble. It sounds overall very clear and very nice to listen to. I'm now going to be choosing a different song, and I'm going to be playing at a maximum volume. Again, I am limited for choice, so I will find a song. Okay, so I'm now going to be playing this at maximum volume, so you can get a feel of what it's like when played at higher volumes. So here it goes. This is the song I'm using. So as you can probably hear, the sound is still incredibly clear. The mid, the highs are fantastic. The bass does decrease a little bit as you turn the volume up, but it shouldn't be an issue for most people, as it still packs a punch for its size. There have been a few minor issues I've had with the speaker, but nothing too bad. The first one is regarding build quality. As you can see, the JBL logo, which is supposed to be here, has just faded off over time, and we have a few scratches, which is my fault, but as you can see, you can't see the logo very well. Another issue is that I feel that the battery indication isn't very accurate. So for example, sometimes it will go to 4 bars and then it will go straight to 1 bar just within the space of a few minutes. And the final issue I've had is sometimes when playing music it can come out a little bit distorted at higher volumes, mainly the treble, but this isn't usually an issue for most songs and it only happens occasionally. So what's the verdict on this speaker? Well, I think if you're after a portable speaker which won't break the bank, and you don't want to spend, as I say, you don't want to spend too much money, you want something which is portable so you can just chuck it in a bag and have great battery life all day, then I think this is a speaker for you. It has fantastic build quality, even better sound quality, and I would thoroughly recommend it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please drop a like and subscribe for more tech videos. I will also soon be doing a review on my JBL Extreme, so look out for that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed.